Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a really cool unboxing, and this is Lenovo's mixed reality headset. Now, if you don't know what a mixed reality headset is, it's basically a VR headset for the PC. So this will work with pretty much any PC that matches the minimum requirements for VR. Check online mixed reality headsets. You will find a minimum requirement, see if your computer works with that. But the coolest part about this unboxing is this was a steal on Slick Deals. I always pitch them. If you don't have Slick Deals app, you should definitely get it. This is how I get a lot of the products I review for you guys, because when they're on sale, it's amazing. And this is a $400 product that was half off for only 200 bucks. I really need to get some affiliate links for Slick Deals. But the coolest part is this comes with everything you need. It comes with the handset. It comes with the motion controls. All of that comes with it. So it's really cool that you have everything built into it. And they are 1440 display, so 2K display, so very clear and awesome. This is the cheapest I've ever seen a virtual reality headset that works with a computer on sale for. So really awesome to have this kind of collection at your fingertips. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it is. So I guess the official name is the Lenovo Explorer, but really, again, it's a mixed reality headset. So right here, we have a booklet telling you everything that comes inside of it and how to connect it. So you're gonna need a USB 3 to connect it, and of course headphones if you wanna wear headphones with it, which I highly recommend. If you're using a virtual reality headset, you always wanna have headphones with it. Now inside we have the manual, we have the user guide, really important to use in most cases with VR headsets. And you have two motion controls. Can you believe you have to play for the Vive Pro for $1,000? You would have to pay extra for these? That's insane. So, really cool. I just want to get a feel for one of them, just to kind of see how it feels and what it has on it. So right here, you have a trigger at the end over here. This basically allows it to track everything with the headset and sync with it, so that's really nice. You have a joystick right here, a menu button it looks like right here, the Windows icon right here, probably to go back home if you need to, and a D-pad basically right here, which is nice. So yeah, really feels good, and you can tell like it's designed for gaming and just like trigger, joystick, D-pad. I feel like I can do pretty much everything with these array of buttons. And you should be able to play all Steam games with this, so that's really cool. Steam virtual reality games. I'm not just saying every game will automatically work with this, of course. That depends on your computer. But let's go ahead and check this out. And I will even put it on just to see how it feels. And so this is your cable setup. So at the end we have here a connection for your dedicated headphone jack, so you can plug in some headphones to it, an HDMI, USB 3.0, and then an HDMI, full HDMI. So just connect those two. If you're like me, I actually like to connect it to the computer and then have an out from the computer to the TV, so you can really kind of have this cool array thing. But we might want to get one of those because this doesn't come with it like the Vive did. The Vive did come with that, so that was what was nice about the Vive. I have a pretty big head, so I'm gonna open this wide for me to put it on. And still not wide enough. Okay, I can kind of see though. All right, so yeah, so this is how it feels. Comfort-wise, I like it. It feels like, while I not hit myself with these cables, it feels good. It feels like comfortable for it, and then really easy to take off. So I do like that ability, and it's basically just tighten it like this. The top and front cushions are really good. There is no overhead one, which is good. I've noticed that a lot of people don't like that one on top, because they feel that it basically messes up with your hair. Obviously, you know, it completely messed up my hair, but nonetheless, I'm okay. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty interested to see how this one does overall. And it's my first Windows mixed reality headset. I've used the Vive, I used the Rift, have never used Windows Mixed Reality, so this will be the first one we test out here on the channel. And again, we're giving it away to one of you guys. So if you guys haven't checked out our Patreon giveaways, basically we give away stuff every month, and your donations help us buy these products every month, so then we can give them away to you. So it allows us to review more products that we normally wouldn't be able to review, and then I get to give it to you, which is always really cool. I mean, we've had so many winners and so many people are like, oh man, I actually win? Yeah, you actually win. All you have to donate is $1 and you get a chance to win these $200, or last month we gave a $400 product away. So whatever we have in the studio, we are more than happy to give to you guys. All right guys, thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.